Hello and welcome to R for Beginners series by Pydemy. In this video, you will learn how to install packages in R and R Studio. Now first I'm going to show you how to install a package in R with the command line. First open R console and we will write the command install.packages and the parenthesis and the name of package within quotes, and that is, let's suppose we want to install Shiny, and press enter. It will ask for select a CRAN mirror. It is simply to opt for any server, so either you select the country, your country, or select cloud server and click OK, and it will start installing Shiny or your package on your computer, and it will also install all the dependencies. And you can see here different packages are being installed, you can see one by one they are downloaded and installed, and in the end you can see Shiny successfully unpacked and MD5 sums checked. And you can see here the downloaded binary packages are in it. It is also telling you the directory or folder in which the packages are being installed. After installing a package, we will check either it has been installed correctly and completely. So we will use the command library and the name of package Shiny, and if it is installed it will not show any issues. Warning message, that's fine, that's just telling that this package was installed for a different version of R or built for a different version of R. If you want to install any package but you are not sure about its name, so you will use install.packages and left these parentheses empty, and it will result in offering you names of all available packages. You may select any package and select OK, and the package will be installed as done earlier. So this gives you options and all the available packages that can be downloaded. This is all about installing packages at command line from R interface or R IDLE. Now installing packages with the help of graphic user interface in R Studio. We will see how to install our package in R Studio with graphic user interface. So first open R Studio. To install a package in R Studio with the help of graphic user interface, first open R Studio, and in the tools menu click tools, and you can see check for package updates or install packages. We want to install a package, so clicking this one, and install from repository CRAN packages, separate multiple with space or comma, write the name of package here, and install to library. Use the default library. Now don't change it until and unless you are specialist in dealing with directories in R. Install all the dependencies and install. Click install. Now it will start downloading and installing the package cat, and after some time it will tell us that the package cat successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked, and it is also telling where it has been downloaded. Now checking library and cat, and press enter, and of course this is successfully installed. In this video we have learned how to install R packages at R CLI and also in R Studio. This is just the beginning. If you want to learn R and data analysis, please subscribe our channel and work hard to learn